Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this makeup look, just a little get ready with me, and show you guys some new skincare stuff I have tried out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, stay tuned for my upcoming video on my new hair. I love this. It's coming soon, y'all. It's coming soon. But anyway, if you wanna see how I got this makeup, stay tuned. Hey guys, so to start this portion of the video, I'm gonna be starting off with a face mask. This face mask is by the brand Teami. It is a beauty mask. This brand reached out to me on Instagram, and I was super excited to try this product because I, if you don't know, just graduated school to be an esthetician. So skincare is literally like my life, like literally. So I was super excited to work with them on their facial clay mask. I'm gonna be starting off this video by putting a mask on my face. I've already washed my face and I've already toned my skin. I'm gonna have my morning skincare routine posted later on this week because that is very important as well. I've definitely realized that skincare is most important when it comes to makeup application, because the smoother your skin and the better condition that your skin is in, the better your makeup is gonna look. This is what the mask looks like. It's super cool. When I wear it, it makes me look like the people from the Blue Men that, I don't know, I'll just put a picture up. So they recommend that you have your face a little bit dampened. So I'm gonna go in with my toner and dampen my face because I just like to use my toner. Most people would probably just use water. But I'm using my toner because toner is more benefits and more ingredients that's gonna make my skin better. So I'm gonna use my toner to wet my face. If you want to, you can. If not, just use water. I just prefer to use my toner as my moisture. Look at it, it's so nice. And every time I use this mask, it makes my skin look really, really bright. I like how it makes my skin look. And I did a story on my Instagram about a week ago using this mask when I was just trying it out. And as soon as I took my mask off, like literally just washed the mask off, didn't tone my skin yet, didn't put on any of my skincare products, my skin looked like I had already done like my moisture routine and my serums. It looked like that, and my face was completely dry, and I literally just rinsed the mask off and that was it. And I was like, oh yes, this is amazing. Because I didn't know, like people used to be like, oh, you want your skin glow. There's different kinds of glows. Like you have a glow when your skin is just all even, and then you have that actual glow when it looks like you like have serums and things on your face, and that's what this mask gave me. And the color is really nice. Like usually my masks are pretty like neutral colors, so to have a mask this color as a girl, it just makes it feel more legit. Like I know that doesn't help the actual mask make your skin look good and stuff like that, but it's fun. Like it's fun to have this mask be this color and be this nice, because it's like it feels like you're at a spa. It feels like an actual like luxury. So this mask helps to target dull complexions, which I just talked about how it makes me look glowy, and which I really, really like. It also helps to even out your skin tone and the texture of your skin. And it also helps with your skin looking tired. So it helps to brighten up and plump up your skin, which I love. This product has zinc oxide in it, which helps with calming and soothing the skin. It also has a type of clay in it. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll just put it on the screen. But this clay helps to exfoliate your skin, which I really, really like. Because it's just like, if you don't have as much time in your skincare routine, this mask is helping you to exfoliate as well, so you can skip that step and do more but still have an accurate skincare routine, which I really, really like. It also has butterfly pea flower, which helps with the actual color of the mask, which I really, really like as well, because I told you guys I really like this mask. Like just the way it looks alone makes me like it, not just the benefits. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and wipe it off. They have another mask as well. It's the green mask, and I really want to try that one too. I think it's like a detox mask. I really want to try that one as well because I really love this blue one, so I definitely think I want to try that green one. So this is what my skin looks like directly after removing that mask. As you guys can see, my skin looks really, really good. You can see that it has that shine to it. Like this is dry. I haven't even toned my skin yet, and you can see I have that glow. That's the glow I was telling you guys about. I love this mask. I want to have a 20% off coupon code in the description box below with a link to this exact product and their full website. They have other masks. They sell collagen. They sell things like that. They also sent me this teacup, which is really, really cute. It comes with this, and you can put product at the top, and then your tea and stuff goes in here. And it also is one of those cups that stay cold because it's double, so you don't have to worry about the cup sweating and stuff like this. They sent me this as a gift, so I really, really like this company a lot. I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare routine and I'll be right back so we can get into the makeup. So I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. hydrating primer. It looks like this. I love this stuff. It's been like my favorite primer since I've gotten it. Like I haven't used anything else. I tried to use other things. Like I even have the e.l.f. poreless putties and stuff like that, and the luminous putty, but I still grabbed for this. For foundation, I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal 24 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. One of my friends put me onto this foundation, and ever since then I've been like loving it. I actually let Courtney pick my shade, and the shade, you'll see my shade is pretty much perfect unless I got lighter or darker. I think I would have gotten lighter, but my shade is pretty much perfect, and Courtney picked it out for me. So this has been my favorite foundation because I haven't had to struggle with it. It looks like skin. It's the perfect shade, so I don't have to mix it with nothing. So this has been my go-to foundation just because it's the only foundation I have. Actually, I have one more, my Makeup Revolution foundation as well. But this is one of the foundations that looks super natural, super good, and it matches me, so I go to it more than anything because I don't have to mix it. I can just throw it on real quick and it's easy. Do you see that? It's literally like my perfect shade. This is why I grab for it so much. So for concealer, I'm gonna be using this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. I got mine in the color 3.4. I got this concealer because one of my favorite YouTubers that I watch, she lives in Florida, and she was talking about how she really likes this concealer. And you know, Florida is super hot, super gross, humid, so it makes your makeup basically melt off your face. So I'm like, her being like from Florida and saying that she really likes this concealer, I'm like, oh hell yeah. Plus another YouTuber that I've been watching recently said that she just thinks that it's best to wear a matte concealer underneath the eye. So I was definitely like, okay, I'm gonna try it. I am combination dry, but this concealer is closer to my T-zone. I don't know if I've ever used a matte concealer under the eye either. I'm not really sure. I don't really grab for things that say matte because I naturally like to look glowy. Sorry if you guys can hear sounds. I have my window open because we're at that place where it is fall actually. It's fall and I live in Chicago, so y'all know as soon as the season change, the weather changes here too. So I'm like, I don't need to have my AC on no more. I can just enjoy fresh air. It blends out amazing. My favorite concealer is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So in my mind, I don't mean to be this way, but in my mind, I'm always trying to see if something is better than Tarte Shape Tape. So the side that I let sit longer, this was the longest sitting side. You guys can see it's a little bit like, not darker, it's a little bit lighter over there with more coverage. So that's nice. I think when I use this concealer in the future, I'll probably let it sit. To set my under, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder. I love this stuff. Haven't used it in a long time because I haven't done my makeup in a long time, but I'm super excited to use it. I'm super excited to see how this sets. This is the Fit Me Loose Translucent Powder in the color Light Medium. And I'm gonna use this to set the rest of my face. I just love powders that just make me look super smooth. My favorite facial setting powder is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I don't know why I didn't just use it. You know why? Because I haven't done my makeup in a long time. And the last time I did my makeup, I used this and I miss using it. So I went and grabbed this. Because I know I love my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, but this is a powder I used a couple of times and I'm still kind of filling it out. Every time I use it, I like it. But for some reason, I feel like I'm still filling it out, if that makes sense. So far, so good. I need to just claim that I like it. I'm going to set my face. I'm not done. I still have to do my contour, my highlight, my colors, my blush, stuff like that. But I like to do my face and then move on to my eyes and then go back to the face. So for now, I'm gonna set my face and it lets my face be set twice, which makes my makeup look really good. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Dewy Finishing Spray. So we're gonna move on to eyebrows. I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild pencil. I usually use my NYX pencil, my NYX Micro pencil in black, but I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild pencil. Let me see. Wet n Wild Ultimate Micro Brow Pencil. So it's just like that. It's basically like the Anastasia pencil that's very skinny, but they came out with their version. This one is in the color brown. I don't wanna use black today, so I'm gonna use the brown color because my eyebrows are already tinted black. So I feel like filling them in a little bit brown in a few bald spots will make it look a little bit more subtle versus if I went in with the black, because I don't really plan on being too extra today. So usually I go on black when I'm about to go crazy makeup, but I'm gonna use the brown today. just gonna fill in my sparse spots. I'm gonna go back in with that Matte Velvet Skin Concealer from Makeup Forever, and I'm gonna use that to clean up my brows. This is the makeup palette I was telling you guys about that I got from the beauty supply. It's super nice. It's by this brand called Cara Beauty, and it's C-A-R-A Beauty. I got this from my beauty supply store, and it's so nice. So first I'm gonna go with this color right here. And I really don't know what I'm going for today, so I'm just trying something out. I'm just gonna start by taking it in my little crease. So I'm gonna do a wing liner. For my wing liner, I'm gonna be using this NYX felt tip liner. It looks like this, if it will focus. It is the Epic Ink Liner by NYX, and it's waterproof, and it's in the color black. So lately I've been doing my inner corners. That's just my new thing to do. I don't do it all the time, but I've been liking it. So I did it today, especially because there's not much going on with my eyes. So I'm torn. I have two different pairs of lashes that I want to try. These, I got both of these from the same beauty supply store. These are by I Envy, and these are by La Flare. I think I'm gonna go with these since I have more pairs of these. I'm gonna go with these, and then maybe I'll save these for a better look. So while my lash glue is setting and drying a little bit, I'm gonna use my Better Than Sex mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. Going back into the palette, I'm actually gonna take this darker brown color. I'm gonna start with this color and then take the darker brown color right at the bottom because I just want it to be darker. And low-key, knowing myself, I'll probably go in and put a little bit of that brown at the top somewhere. So we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go in and bronze my face. I use two bronzers, same brand, two bronzers. I have one in light and one in medium. Lies, I have one in light and I want to have one in dark. I like to use the light one first because it still gives me a color, but it's not too harsh, so I can warm my face up all over, and then I can go in specific spots, like narrow spots, and then contour better. So you can see my face is a little bit warmer. Hopefully you guys can tell the difference. Maybe you can see a little bit more here, but it's not like a crazy difference. It just warms me up. But now I'm going to go in and like bronze more, but like not as wide, because I just kind of like threw it all over my whole face. But now I'm gonna put it like I use my Wet n Wild banana powder that I use to set my under eye on my thingies here, just to clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna let that sit. I'm going into my Becca Cosmetics with the Champagne Pop mixed with this blush. I never knew what this blush was called. Highlighter is Champagne Pop, and it's a duo. my face again a lot. So I'm gonna go in with a lip liner. This is gonna be the NYX lip liner in the color Cold Brew. This is a brand new one. My other one is still just as big, it's just dull. So I bought a new one when I could have just sharpened it, but whatever. So I have two new lipsticks. One is by Maybelline and one is by, oh, they're both by Maybelline. And I was on the search for a perfect nude for me, but this wasn't the color I was looking for. I was looking for that super pale nude. If you can see, these are two different nudes. I think I'm gonna go in with this one because this one is more so what I was looking for. So I'm gonna try this one out and see. This one looks like it's less, yeah, this one says it's matte. The other one is, I don't think it's matte. The other one is, yeah, cream, and this one is matte. That's why they look different. But the colors are different. This is in the color Nude Embrace 650. This is what I'm going for. I love this. This is my first time using the color, and it actually is, well, I was looking for more of that super pasty white tan nude that people be wearing, but I haven't been able to find it in the drugstores yet. I was trying to give the drugstore a chance because it's drugstore, whatever, but I feel like I'm gonna have to go high end to find that color because every time I try to look for that color, this has been the lightest thing I've found. And I'm not saying the drugstore doesn't have it, maybe it's just not there when I go, but I feel like if I go to a high-end store to find it, it's gonna be there the first time I go look. And every time I go to a drugstore, I've been to multiple drugstores, and I just cannot find that like pasty white nude. Like not white, but that like pasty tan, super pale nude that kind of looks like it could be this color, but like maybe like 2 or 3 shades lighter. I haven't been able to find it yet. So now I'm gonna get into me doing my baby hairs because it is about that time. I'm gonna be using the Edge Booster, what's called Style Factor Edge Booster. Mine is actually empty, but I have another one in the back. I'm just trying to use the rest of this one. This is what my hair looks like. It's super long. If you want to see this video, just stay tuned. Courtney did my hair in this style for a brand deal that I had with a hair company, and that is the blonde hair that you see in between here. They are faux locks, so we did something really fun, and we also added some lock extension faux locks. Well, no, these are actually real lock extensions that go in somebody's head permanently, but Courtney used them for this style because she had some leftovers at the shop. But the blonde part is synthetic hair of faux locks. But she got this inspiration from the Chloe and Haley Do It video I think they had in. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I just got dressed. I want to show you guys how long my braid is. Couldn't show you earlier because I didn't have any clothes on at the bottom, but look at it, it's so long. I love my hair. This video is not about my hair though, but I just want to get you guys excited for the video on my hair. I'm super excited. We're about to take some pictures for it. Okay, so this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for this hair tutorial because clearly I'm excited about it, and you can see how I got this look. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go check out that face mask. I love it. You guys see my skin, even with makeup on, my skin looks amazing. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.